Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Fiat 500 door card. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the windows are fully lowered. Also, consider placing a soft cloth on your sill to protect the paintwork from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation makes the job much smoother. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover situated behind the door handle. Inside, you'll find 2 Torx screws. Remove both of these. Then, locate the door pull recess and remove the single Phillips head screw. Finally, use your plastic trim tool to gently detach the entire window switch panel, disconnecting its electrical connector for now. Take your time with each step. Now, it's time to detach the main door card. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the entire perimeter. You'll feel and hear the plastic clips releasing. There are typically 10 to 12 clips, so be thorough. Work slowly and methodically to avoid breaking any of these fragile components. Once all clips are free, gently lift the entire door card upwards to unhook it from the window channel. With the door card unhooked, you'll need to disconnect a few more items. First, detach the electrical connectors for the speaker and any door lights. Then, carefully unclip the door handle cable from its mechanism. Once everything is disconnected, store your door card safely on a clean, flat surface. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of removal. Ensure all clips align perfectly before gently pressing the card back into place. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.